In this video, we're going to read line and conversion graphs. If you're revising, you can pause the video and have a go at these three questions. So a graph is a diagram that shows the relationship between two varying or differing quantities. We can use graphs to compare two sets of data. Line graphs. The temperatures throughout the 1st of September have been recorded and shown on the line graph below. The two varying quantities are temperature and time. So we've got the temperature at different times of the day, just before 9 o'clock up until 4 p.m. So along what you would normally call the x-axis is now the time axis. That's one of the varying quantities. It varies because it's changing from 9 o'clock up to 4 o'clock. And the other quantity is temperature, that up your y-axis. No longer your y-axis, it's your temperature axis. And it varies because it's rising from 0 up to 20. Okay. Little note here, it just says that not all line graphs will start at 0. Okay, but it just so happens that it must be at this time the temperature is 0 degrees. What time is that actually? Well, if you're looking at a graph, just take two times that you do know, so 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock, and you can see there that that's 2 squares. So 2 squares is 1 hour, so 1 square would be half an hour. So if that's 9 o'clock, go back 1 square, go back half an hour, that would be half 8. So half 8, 9, half 9, 10, half 10, and so on. To accurately find the temperature at 10 a.m., first find the time, 10 a.m., along the x-axis, then go up to the graph with a dotted line and read across for the temperature, which is 4 degrees. So that's how you read it. Okay, let's have a go at question 1. What was the highest recorded temperature throughout the day? So these dots are the recorded temperatures. And the highest temperature would be this one here. And that would be at 4 p.m. So we'd write in 4 p.m. Question 2. At what time had the temperature reached 10 degrees Celsius? So if we go to 10 degrees Celsius, we find the temperature up the side, and we go across, and we see it first meets it at 1 p.m. So we could write in 1 p.m. So the temperature was 4 degrees, then next time it was recorded it was 9 degrees, and then next time it was recorded it was then 10 degrees. So it hit 10 degrees first of all here at 1 p.m. And then finally, between what time, 2 times, did the temperature remain most constant? Constant means that it doesn't change. So if we look at the graph here, the temperature was 0 and then 4. From the next to it was 4 and then 9. Next it was 9 and then 10. The next block it was 10 and still 10. And the last block it was 10 up to 16. So the least change, or when it was most constant, is here. It didn't change at all, so there's no rise or fall in temperature. A rise in temperature is when it's gone up. A fall in temperature would be if it dropped down. There's no change. That's when the temperature is constant. So between what 2 times? That is 1 p.m. That's when it started. And the other one, when it finished, is here. Between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock, which would be 2:30 p.m.